XAGE Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I see a 62% increase in price, which is quite a lot. Longevity held holding stock, man, is just, it's been doing its thing. And honestly, like looking at the data in the previous charts, it's not that good. It's not looking that good. And I mean, I'm just gonna gulp that, but yeah, I'm still gonna stick to my strategy that I've tested and refined over 4.5 years and 37,000 videos. More so, freaking 5 figures have been invested into the knowledge. But yeah, XAGE. If I come out here, so I'll just mark down the lows, and I'm trying to be super realistic. I mean, you could be watching some other YouTubers just talking like how crazy of a buy this is. If I don't really believe that, I'm not just gonna come out here and just change my whole buy, right? No, I really mean like what I say. So let me know what is your opinion on XAGE. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.